Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari and today I am going to start a series of lecture on Chapter 14 of Indian Penal Code. Chapter 14 basically deals with public nuisance which causes the health, safety, convenience, decency and morals of public. This including an amendment has as many as 28 sections and it is a not good idea if I am going to deal all of them in one session. This is a kind of introductory session where I am going to explain you guys what is public nuisance and I am going to explain that how exactly I am explaining this entire chapter. With that, I will take you to my first and the only slide for this particular presentation. The first section of this particular chapter, that is section 268, explains what is public nuisance and I have brought it in a very simple words. What is a public nuisance? If a person causes any common injury, danger or annoyance to the public or to the people in general who reside in that particular area or occupy property in that vicinity, or causing injury, obstruction, danger or annoyance to the persons who may have occasion to use any public right, and if doing some act which was not supposed to be done or omitting such an act which was supposed to be done is called public nuisance. Now the example for that can be spreading infection, adulteration of food, water or drugs, or selling such items, fouling water, rash driving, negligent conduct, sale of obscene books, objects, etc. One of the best example can be we are all living in the year 2020 and this is April month and there is a lockdown in India because of corona. If any infected person, even after having this rule of quarantine, if comes out and starts spreading an infection to others, then that is a public nuisance and it is a punishable offense. That is one example. However, this quarantine is not only for infected persons, this is also for other persons also to avoid any spreading of such infection, and whoever is coming out, then they can be considered under public nuisance. That can be one best example for public nuisance. The next question is, how am I going to deal with this particular chapter? I am breaking this into total of 4 videos. This is the first video which I am already almost completing. In my next video, I am covering public health, which is covering from section 269 to 278. Then I will touch upon public safety and convenience in my next video, where I will be covering section 279 to 291, and the last video will be on public decency and morals, which covering section 292 to 294A. That is the way I am going to approach, and I will be covering all the sections including with the classification under schedule 1 of CRPC and whether it is compoundable or not under section 320 of CRPC. That way it will be a comprehensive approach. So this is just an end to this particular video, but start of a beautiful journey on chapter 14 of Indian Penal Code. Please visit my playlist for all the 3 other videos related to this particular chapter. Thank you so much. If you have already subscribed my channel, please like, share and comment my videos. All the very best for whatsoever purpose you are watching my channel, and thanks again.